What's going on, people? Back at it again with another amazing video. Today's video, I'm going to talk about the new updates for the ad-free version for sports, which is you got your NFL, you have your NBA, and you have your college football. These are ad-free versions. I have them in my APK store. As well, I have the originals that they do have ads, but they're real easy to back out of. Now, also, you're going to need two other apps. You're going to need set orientation, and you're going to need the mouse toggle. The mouse toggle, I'm going to have a link down below showing you guys how to use it and how to set it up. It's easy. I know the mouse toggle's been lately acting really messed up. Trust me and believe, if these were apps that you can use without the mouse toggle, would be great. But developers set it up that it's usually only for the phones or Android boxes, and we're using a Firestick, so you're gonna have to use the mouse toggle. I'm trying to see or test out to see if I can find a Bluetooth mouse that works with the Firesticks, because then that eliminates the mouse toggle. But I have been unsuccessful, so if you guys know a Bluetooth mouse that works with the Firestick, leave that comment down below, and I really do appreciate it if you do. All right, so let me stop talking and show you how this works. All right, so we're gonna go in the NFL stream, and just to give you guys a heads up, you may see it says that it's outdated. Just hit cancel, and then it'll bypass it. For some reason, it happened to me when I was reviewing it. Some reason it came up and it said it's outdated and needs an update or something like that. Just hit cancel, and then it should be fine. Now, as you see here, you have your live games. Just to give you guys a heads up and reminder, these links will pop up when you have a game going, and it has to be live. If the game's not on yet, you will not get any links. Now, that being said, as you see how where the Miami game, you have MX Player Redzone. Yes, you do get Redzone, and it works pretty damn good. As well as you see how it says YouTube Redzone. The YouTube Redzone, you'll see comments and stuff like that coming up through your screen. I use the Redzone on YouTube one for like if I'm out and about and I'm watching the game on my phone, I use that link. But the MX Player Redzone works pretty dang well. Just to show you how it works, what you're going to do is you're going to activate your mouse toggle, and that's easy to do. You press play twice on your remote. Now, going to go into, I like using the MX Player. Now, with these versions, it's going to ask you here how to open up your player. It's going to say open up your player. Now, you see how I'm clicking, nothing happens. What I notice, if you press the play button on your remote, it starts working. Okay, so if you guys run into that issue that you can't move it or you can't get it going, just hit the play button once on your remote, and then you're able to move it. Now, I just hit once here, but you can hit always, and then you won't really see the screen when you're asking for an MX Player link. Okay, so let's just go to once, and then it should come up. See how that says? That means that link does not work. It's not a problem. Just to let you guys know, this is not a guaranteed stream, just so you know. And that's why I like when mess ups happen, because when mess ups happen, you guys get, as you see, I get them. But I'll show you a way around it, which you just click a different link. Let's click HDMI 1. Oh, now you see how it says Silk Browser? A lot of you guys were saying that you can't find Silk Browser and stuff like that. I think they changed their name to Internet Silk or Amazon Silk. But if anything, in this video, I'll show you how to you can get that Silk Browser, because Silk Browser does work really well with this app. So give it a second. Okay, you see how it goes straight to a play button? It avoids ads. You hit that play button. Hopefully it pops up. If not, it's not a problem. We'll just
by Brandon LaFell, and another catch and another first.
There you go. As you see too, it goes full screen automatically, which is pretty dang awesome. And you can scroll down, and then you see your games there. Now, like I said, when you click in the YouTube links, it's gonna be like you're going on YouTube. You may see comments coming up. Okay, so let me back out of this, and it's the same way set up for NBA. Let me go into the NBA. Give it a second here. See how, okay, perfect. You see how this says here, release new version fixed crash? Don't worry about it, just hit cancel. And you see how you're still able to pull up the screen. Okay, so now, just to show you guys, we'll go into the MX Player. Okay, and we're gonna select MX Player Pro and scroll down here to just once. And like I said, if you hit always, it'll come up always. And there you go, people. See what I mean? You may get that update thing. Don't worry about it. Don't freak out. Just hit cancel and it should work fine. And then you have your college. Now, just to give you guys another thing, you cannot have two versions on here. So if you have the NFL original version that you have ads, and then you have this version, the ad-free, you may run into issues, okay? And with the issues of that is it won't download. You just got to choose one. And honestly, I like both having the one with ads, and I like having the ones without ads, okay? And as you see, it says Try Room. I believe that's the modder that modified these. Big ups to him. I actually got to find out who that is, or I might even give him props to the wrong modder, so don't get angry at me. If I am, please leave the comment down below, and I'll leave it in the description to give the props to that modder that made these ad-free. Now, with set orientation, you're going to download that in the APK store. I'll show you how you do that. But first, I want to show you, once you download it, how you set this up, okay? It's going to say disable for you guys, and all you have to do is just open it and hit automatic, and then make sure it says on full, and hit OK, and that's it. That's all you have to do with set orientation. You don't have to mess with it anymore. With the mouse toggle, like I said, I have in the description the videos of how to download it and how to set it up. But I want to show you guys, excuse me, I want to show you guys for Silk browser. Okay, now what you want to do is go over to the top here where it says apps, click down to where it says categories. You're going to go down to this guy, go into that, give it a second, it should load up. Okay, there you go. Now, yeah, it's called Internet. That's why you can't find it. They changed it. It's called Internet, and then you see how it says Amazon Silk web browser. That's how you guys get it. So you just guys click into it, and then you should be able to download it, because it's a totally free browser and it works really well. And I'll be honest with you, if you want, you could download youtube.com on here. I believe that's free as well. And let me see here, let me click it. And the reason why I say that too is because some of those links, yes, it is free. And the only reason why I say that is because some of the links on the sports are YouTube links, and you may download this and it may work better for you guys. All right. So now let me show you how you get your APKs. Let me back out of these real quick, and then you guys should be good to go. So what we're going to do is, if you don't have file link, excuse me, if you don't have file link, I have the links also down below showing you how to get these. Okay, it's real simple to do. It's not hard at all. And once you get it, or you already have it, you're just going to open this up. And then once it opens up, it's going to ask you for my channel's code for the APK store. It's real simple, 645-39676. So once you got that in, okay, you're gonna hit continue, and it should pop up. There we go. That's a welcome screen. You guys are free to read that if you want. All right. Usually I try to keep them organized. Sometimes I'd be so busy with everything else, I have it all disorganized, but I just organize this here so you can see. See how it says live sports? You have your original NFL live, you have your live 1.3 ad-free, NBA ad-free, NBA regular, and then you have your college football ad-free, and then you have your college football regular. Baseball season's there, you could try it. And that one's believes ad-free. I have to double check if it still works. And then I heard NFL package been acting up. I apologize if it is. I have to find out if I could find out if I could talk to the developer, or basically, because somebody told me that they're getting Sports Devil errors. I want to see if I could work around it. Maybe if like download Sports Devil separately, and then see if it works after that. Then also you have your sports news. I have video on that. If anything, I'll leave a link. And then you have your Sports HD. Now, Sports HD is just flooded with ads, and it's like porn ads and stuff. I don't suggest it, but people say it works it still works for them if you have a great ad blocker or a VPN, which I highly suggest. Right here, Ipvanish. It works great. There's no issues with it. There is a fee monthly. It's not much at all. It's less than a Whopper and soda and fries a month. Okay. Now that being said, let me back out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys did, please like, subscribe, and share my video, as well as my channel. Also, I have a support group on Facebook for my channel, as in if people have issues or questions or even suggestions, you're freely to join, and it's more personal on the level that I could comment a lot faster. And also, I have a Twitter account that I'm new to Twitter. I know it's funny, but I am. I also have a Twitter account. That link is down below. But or if you just guys want to comment down below, really appreciate it. And pretty much that's it. Hope you guys enjoy. And like I said again, enjoy football, enjoy all your sports, and have a great evening.